Stadium behind me. Got my Rams gear on. Let's go take a closer look. Cool stuff to look at actually from street level, so let's check it out. So I'm on Pinkay Drive and check it out. You can see the structure rising from below the bowl. That's pretty cool. It's getting taller and taller just about every day. Here's a good look at these massive steel cylinder deals that you'll see from those concrete columns that are being built. That'll be supporting the roof structure. Just massive. It's pretty awesome to see in person compared to drone shots or webcam. And I'm on Pinkay Drive, so I'm like closest to the north end zone, and we see some more structures rising at street level, and that's pretty awesome to see. It's really starting to take shape. I have no idea what this is, but it looks pretty interesting. And this is one of the dirtier parts of the job. I mean, you've got hundreds of crew members on this site, and you know, they got to do their business somewhere, and looks like this is it. Gonna just about wrap it up for this Inglewood Stadium update. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like if you enjoyed watching this video, and subscribe if you want to continue following this stadium build up into year 2020. Other than that, thanks for watching. Peace.